we are going to be setting up our Buzzy Seeds self-watering tomato planter with trellis. So let me familiarize you with the components that it comes with. So first of all, we have this humongous planter here. And it also comes with our water tank. It also comes with 2 pieces of our irrigation wick, our stabilizer, and our trellis, which are the aluminum tubes and the connectors. Let's go. First step, we are going to be leading the irrigation wicks through the holes of our planters. We are going to be putting it through this and this hole. So these irrigation wicks are what's going to be absorbing the water from the water tank. One down. Next step is to put the stabilizers into the planter. Next step is to connect these tubes, which are going to be our trellis, and connect it to these connectors. Push the tube into the connector. The other one too. Yeah. And the other one. That actually makes it easier is to twist it into the connector. We're doing good. We're just going to be connecting one more. So we have all of the tubes connected, and now we just want to make sure that they're all connected to each other, so we gently just push it. If you have a hammer, you can even just gently tap it into the connectors, but I think I did a pretty good job. It's been connected, and now we are going to be inserting this one through the stabilizer here. Push it through the hole of the stabilizers and into the middle protruding point of the plant. And now our self-watering tomato planter is ready. Self-watering, you don't have to worry about forgetting to water your plants. This one's gonna do the work for you. Just have to wait until the weekends, and I'm gonna be getting some potting soil and some tomato seeds that are suitable for Hawaii climate. So that's how we assemble the Buzzy Seeds self-watering tomato planter with trellis.